Such a nice truck. It's a shame I'm selling it. Yep. We're selling the old Ford. Reasons being, I'm getting married. I would like to have a crew cab, preferably a gasser, something that's not going to cost me $6 grand a year just to maintain. Anyway, I got some pole saws today. We're here at one of our fields. We're going to do some tree trimming all the way around the edges. There are some spots over here, down in that corner, and over there. There's just some overhanging branches that kind of get in my way when I'm mowing and just provide a little too much shade for my liking. So I want to get some trees trimmed. That way we can get the outside edges dried a little faster come hay season. Glad you guys are back there. Well, this edge of the field was the worst. Right in this area, down through here, we had a lot of overhanging stuff. So I took down some big branches, even just cut some trees off. And sometime this week, hopefully tomorrow, if the weather suits, I'm gonna bring the loader tractor over here. And I'm just gonna push everything in the woods. There's no sense in me sweating my balls off and throwing my back out trying to move 500-pound limbs. There's a big tree over there. I wanna push in some branches up there. And that's it. And this field will be ready. Exhilarating. Anybody else still run their tractors with cans? Yeah, I do. Only on the case though. I used to do all 3 tractors with cans, but I got a diesel tank for my truck last spring. Boy, oh boy, what a game changer that was. Anyway, I figured I'd check a few things on the tractor while it's down here. Yep, there's coolant in there. Hard to tell how much though. It's a lot harder than it looks. It looks like it's all the way up to the neck there, so I think we're still good. So you're technically supposed to change the oil out of the oil bath air filter every year, but we really don't put a whole lot of hours on this tractor. I'm just gonna check it and see if it needs changed. I changed it last year. Here's the oil. You can see there's dirt and dust in there. I don't even know if it's worth changing or not. It's just oil that catches dust. I decided I would drain the oil and expose all the gunk in here. So yeah, I would say changing it was the right move. Plus, I remembered that I bought some really cheap 1540, $6 a gallon at BB's. And $6 a gallon for 1540, it's a pretty good deal. Now, I happen to have a lot of 1540 for my tractors. Never hurts to have extra. Since I have this extra and it's cheap, I'm gonna use it for this filter. Oh, that's out. Your brake cleaner and oil cereal right here. So we only need to fill it to this line right here. And you just gotta eyeball it. Right about there. This tractor is supposed to have a pre-cleaner right here. Little pre-cleaner thing there, but never had it when we've had the tractor. I can't remember the last time that it was on there. It was obviously on there when my grandpa had it, but I don't know where it's at. I could get one. Really hasn't caused any issues. The oil itself really isn't that dirty, and we don't operate in that dusty conditions. But if we ever decide to restore it, or if it starts getting really dusty, we use it for dusty things, then we'll get the pre-cleaner just as a measure of precaution. That's the last thing that really needed done to this tractor. The wheel bearings, that we do need to change the float in the carb yet, but I don't have that part, and I don't want to take the carb off and tear into that until I have that part, just in case I want to move the tractor in and out. The tractor starts and runs fine as long as you turn the fuel off when you're not using it, so it doesn't flood the carb. But other than that, everything is done on it. Changed the oil, greased it, did that about a month ago. Today is Wednesday, February 26th. It is currently 55 degrees out. This week has been incredible weather-wise. Got a couple more days of it. I think we're gonna get some rain tomorrow, but I'm gonna take advantage of another day of warm weather. We're gonna go down and push all those trees that we cut yesterday. loader work's done. Got that big old tree and all these branches pushed. Everything along this edge is done and cleaned up over there. I'm gonna walk around and pick up some of the small sticks yet, and then we're out of here. 12:40. I'm getting hungry, but I got more trees to trim, so I'm gonna go home, load up whole saw, maybe chainsaw, maybe stop for lunch on the way.